Hi everyone, I thought that I would record just a little short video on some of the commands that you can ask Siri to do for you on your iPhone. Siri is a setting on your iPhone. You have to enable the setting, and you also have to have either a network connection or a data plan for Siri to operate. So let's go and try Siri. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 11:44 a.m.
Hey Siri, what day is it?
It's Wednesday, the 1st of April 2020.
Hey Siri, create a new note.
What do you want it to say?
Today is the 1st of April 2020.
Okay, I created a note. Today is the 1st of the 20th of April 20.
Hey Siri, add to note.
Okay, what would you like to add?
Our entire country of Ireland is in lockdown due to the COVID-19 virus. Everyone who can do so is asked to work from home. Only essential services and those who require shopping may travel outdoors.
Okay, I added our entire country of Ireland is in lockdown. Due to the COVID-19 virus, everyone who can do so is asked to work from home. Only essential services and those who require shopping may travel outdoors. To your note, today is the 1st of the 20th of April 20.
Hey Siri, how do you spell constitutional?
Constitutional. CONSTITUTIONAL.
Hey Siri, what does constitutional mean?
As an adjective, it means relating to an established set of principles governing a state. Do you want to hear the next one?
No. Hey Siri, create an appointment for next Monday at 10:30 a.m. with the doctor.
I scheduled your appointment on the 13th of April 2020 from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. The appointment is called Doctor.
Hey Siri, create an appointment for next Tuesday with the hairdresser at 11:15 a.m.
Your appointment is scheduled for Tuesday from 11:15 a.m. to 12:15 p.m. The appointment is called Hairdresser.
Hey Siri, create an appointment with the dentist for next Monday afternoon at 2:30 p.m.
I scheduled your appointment on the 13th of April 2020 from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. The appointment is called Dentist.
Hey Siri, read my appointments for next week.
You have one appointment. On Tuesday at 11:15 a.m. Hairdresser.
Hey Siri, what is 9,480 multiplied by 72?
9,480 times 72 is 682,560.
Hey Siri, what's the population of Denver, Colorado?
In 2018, the population of Denver was 716,492.
Hey Siri, where is Auckland?
Here's Auckland, New Zealand.
Hey Siri, can you send a text message to Miriam Kelly?
What do you want to say?
Hi Miriam, if you're shopping today, can you collect some milk and bread and leave it on our doorstep? Many thanks. Stay safe during the lockdown.
Your message to Miriam Kelly says, "Hi Miriam, if you're shopping today, can you collect some milk and bread and leave it on our doorstep? Many thanks. Stay safe during the lockdown." Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Hey Siri.
Messages. Double tap to open. Use 3D touch to show home screen actions. Actions available.
Hey Siri. What's the weather like today?
It's currently partly cloudy and 9 degrees in Droha. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 9 degrees to 7 tonight.
So that's a few nice little things that you can ask your Siri to do. So hope you've enjoyed the little video and stay safe during the lockdown. And if you have any queries, I'm very happy to respond to any queries you may have. Thank you.